ton at the fun farm. So much to see, come on and see it with me at the fun farm. At the fun farm, at the fun farm, it's time for fun. At the fun farm, we're always happy. We love to learn and grow, we love to play. At the fun farm, come on and join us, and we'll have fun, 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 fun today.
Oh, wow, that was amazing.
That was fun, wasn't it?
Where are we?
We're in the workshop.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the village looked really good. Nothing to fix yet. And now we have something to fix in the workshop.
Oh, what's that?
Well, let me put the magic kazoo away first. I'm going to keep that nice and safe.
Okay.
But we have a wagon here,
Oh.
and there's something missing. The wagon can't do what a wagon does. Something's missing that makes the wagon do what the wagon does.
Well, I guess the only thing that the wagon needs is wheels, and that side looks fine.
One here,
One there. and
two here.
Oh, right there. There's
It's
one
missing a wheel.
Yeah, there's a
The wheel has
missing.
fallen off. I don't know where it is. We're going to have to make a wheel
Oh, how do we do that?
with magic. And we'll do it together, okay?
Okay.
And kids and cadets, you can join us as we go on the count of 3
Okay.
and point to what's missing and fix it.
Right.
Okay? So it'll be 1, 2, 3, point.
Got it.
Got it?
Yep.
Okay, kids and cadets, let's all do it together.
Yep.
1, 2.
Is it
TJ.
fixed yet?
No, it's too soon. We have to
Oh,
do
all right.
all the
Okay.
1, 2, 3, point.
All right. I got it this time.
Okay. Ready, kids and cadets? 1, 2,
Fixed.
TJ,
I fixed it.
you're so eager.
Is it there?
It's not
oh, no,
fixed
it's
yet.
not.
We didn't do
Okay.
it together.
All right.
We have to fix it together or it
Okay.
doesn't get fixed.
Okay.
Okay. One more time, kids and cadets, join us. 1, 2, 3, point. Good job. Good
Hey.
job.
By 4?
Thanks, TJ. Let's move on to the next thing on the to-do list.
Ooh, what's that?
Okay, Mrs. G's to-do list. The next thing on the to-do list is check out the pets.
Ooh. Okay.
Make sure the pets are fed and taken good care of. Okay, so you ready to transport to the pet pen?
Yeah. Do we
Oh,
need the kazoo again?
We do need the kazoo again.
Oh.
Good memory, TJ.
Thank you.
I'm impressed. Did you remember that, kids and cadets? Let's do this together. Do you remember how we do it? I play the special song,
Yep.
and then we say kazoo together.
Okay. I'm
Ready?
Yep.
Okay. Kazoo. We have to do it together, TJ.
I thought I was waiting for the tune to be done. I was trying
Well,
to.
that's a real short tune.
All right. Well, one more time. One more time.
Okay. We'll all do it together. Together, or we can't do it at all. Kazoo. And here we are in the garden.
Oh wow.
Good job, kids and cadets.
The corn's doing really good this year.
Yeah, it has to be at least TJ high by the 4th of July.
That's funny.
Yeah, and it's nice to see it doing so well. We
Yeah.
have some great pumpkins that are growing too.
Oh.
Yeah.
I like that one.
I know. I like great big pumpkins.
Mm.
And I'm wondering why Mrs. G wanted us to come to the garden.
Oh.
I mean, things are doing well, but they were doing well yesterday too.
Maybe there's a note on the paper.
I'm going to look at that to-do
The
list
to-do
again.
list.
Sometimes I'm in such a hurry that I don't pay as good attention as I should. Kids and cadets, sometimes you have to slow down and focus. Oh, here it is, right in small letters. Get some pumpkins for the pigs.
Oh. Okay.
Pigs like pumpkins too.
They just eat them whole.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we don't even put them into a pie. They just love them.
Oh wow.
And I love pumpkins also, but in a pie. So,
Oh.
don't you like pumpkins? Good for you too.
Oh,
So,
all right.
let's get,
That one.
that's a good one.
Yeah.
We'll put it in your wagon.
Oh, all right.
I like that one. That's a good one.
Okay. Yep.
And let's get one more. Which one should we get?
What about that one?
Oh, that's a good one. And you're gonna hold them still in that wagon.
Yep. I got them.
Good. And you're attached to the wagon, so we're gonna have the wagon come with us, kids and cadets. So let's think animal, pet pen. Pet pen.
Yep.
Here we go. Kazoo.
Oh, where are we?
Guess what?
What?
It's tractor time.
Oh, there it is.
There it is. It's brand new. We like brand new things,
Yeah.
don't we?
No, it looks really cool.
Yeah, and we're going to make good use of this tractor out on the farm.
Okay.
Good tools make for good work.
So can we play with it?
Well, we want to make sure everything is in tip-top shape before we start it. We don't want to play with it out of order,
Yeah. Okay.
and something might break.
Okay.
That'd be expensive. So it looks like the tires are all filled up,
Okay. Yep.
nice and sturdy.
And then we play with it.
Well, hang on, TJ. We got to make sure everything looks like we have gas in it. That's good.
Okay. And then we play with it.
We got a few more things to check out, TJ. We want to make sure we understand all the controls. There's the steering wheel, and there's the shift for the different functions. Back up and reverse and
Yeah.
up and down.
And now we play with it.
One more thing, I just want to make sure everything is nice and tight. Sometimes they're not completely assembled when we ship them. So, good.
Yep.
Looks like everything is good to go.
So we can play with it.
I think we can play with it now. You having fun, TJ?
Yeah, this is so much fun.
I'm glad you're having a good time.
I think I'm gonna try to make it go a little bit faster, okay?
Well, not too
Oh,
fast.
here we go. I'm going up on the.
Well,
Oh yeah.
TJ, hang on.
This is a lot of fun.
You gotta know how to slow down and hit the brake.
It's like, wait, the brake? Wait, what do you mean the brake? Where's the brake on the
TJ.
thing? Where's the
TJ.
brake? Where's the brake on the tractor? I found the horn, but it's not working. Hold on. Wait. Oh.
Whew. I didn't plan on running that hard.
I didn't plan on going that fast. Like my brother Kirby.
I know, you scared me, jumped right into the pond.
Oh, he'll be all right.
Oh, yeah, well, yeah, he likes it there. So are you okay?
Yeah, no, I'm fine.
It looks like you got a little boo-boo, yeah? You pulled on that brake pretty hard. Yeah, well, we'll take a break from driving the tractor for a little while, okay?
Maybe next.
Yeah, and we are running behind. We got to get to the pet pen.
Okay.
All right, kids and cadets, it's time to play on the kazoo. And remember, think the same spot, pet pen, and with enthusiasm, right? Kazoo! And here we are in the pet pen,
Oh, yeah.
checking on another one of our animal friends.
Oh, I like the animals.
It is so nice to take good care of our animal friends.
Yeah.
Don't you like animals, kids and cadets? And we are checking on a horse today.
Oh, well, what's a horse?
Well, we have several of them, and it's right over there. I'll describe it to you.
Oh, okay.
It is a large animal.
Okay.
It
Yeah.
has 4 feet.
Oh.
It has really long hair.
Oh.
Yeah, and it is very strong.
Oh. All right.
Oh,
Does it look like that?
I think you're getting close. This is what I was thinking.
Oh, a horse. Oh, why didn't you say so?
Oh, TJ. And it looks like it's eating really well. That's a
Oh.
good sign that it's healthy. It's got a good appetite. Not too much, but not too little.
Oh.
Well, good. I think we can check that off Mrs. G's to-do list.
Oh, okay.
And let's go back to the barn.
Right.
All right, kids and cadets, picture a barn. Picture a barn, TJ.
Yep.
Kazoo!
That was fun.
It's always fun to travel around the property.
Yeah.
And here we are in the pet pen.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, and we're going to check on a different animal today.
Oh, what are we doing?
We're going to check on a cow.
Oh, what's a cow?
Well, let me try and describe it for you.
Okay.
It's a big animal, and it has 4 feet.
All right.
It has 2 horns.
Oh.
It has black and white colors on it.
Oh. Oh, does it look like that?
TJ, it looks more like this.
Oh, a cow.
Yeah.
Oh, I've seen
Yeah.
those before.
Yep. And we have several on the property, but we're just checking on one at this time.
Oh.
Yeah, it's out there eating grass. It's doing what cows do.
Oh, all right.
I think we can leave it alone.
Oh,
And let's
okay.
go on to something else.
Oh, fun.
Okay, indeed. We're going to go to the fun shed, and
Oh.
you haven't been there before. So
Oh, well, how
you're
do
going
I?
to have to hold my hand,
Oh, all right.
and I'll imagine where it is. And kids and cadets, you're going to have to trust me. We're going to think about a fun shed and see where we go. Ready?
Yeah.
Kazoo!
Oh, that was exciting.
And here we are.
Where are we?
We're in the fun shed. You haven't been here before, have you?
Should I have been?
Well, maybe, but there's all kinds of new experiences on the fun farm.
Well,
And
what's
kids
this?
and cadets, what do we do on the fun farm? We grow fun, and this is where we grow it.
Oh, what does that even look like?
Well, I'm going to show you. I have a fun seed right here,
Oh,
and we're going to plant it today, and you'll see what kind of fun grows.
oh, okay.
So I'm going to put it in our little special soil,
Oh,
and just like a lot of plants, it needs at least 4 things to
Oh.
be successful.
okay. Yeah,
We need good earth.
yeah.
We need good water.
Yep, yep.
We need love.
Oh,
And we need funshine.
did you make that up?
No, this is a special type of sunshine for the funds.
Oh.
It's funshine.
Oh, okay.
So we'll come back and we'll see how it's doing.
All right. So when's it gonna happen?
Well, it takes a little bit of time. It might be a day, it might be a week.
Oh,
Different types of funds grow different lengths of time.
Oh, I thought it was gonna happen now.
Well, you have to be patient. Good things take time, kids and
Oh.
cadets. You have to be very patient. Some things just need to take the time they need to take.
Okay.
So maybe next time. But for now, the work is done. We've had some fun, and now it's time to go.
We'll see you next time, kids and cadets, on the Fun Farm Show.